we're very customer driven, and the quality of service is we always value the quality of service in our company. Running a logistics company is not easy, especially marami kaming pinipick up, marami kaming sinusupport na seller. So, but we are guided with our mission and our vision to be the leading provider that makes the stats faster, to make all transactions faster. So, ito yung guide namin every day. Kaya namin i-maintain yung quality of service. And I hope we can still maintain it kahit tumataas yung volume. And lahat ginagawa namin para maayos yun. Okay? So, this is our core values. In a company kasi, mahirap mag-run if you don't have values. And if your employees doesn't have that values, especially us, trust kasi yung pinamumuhunan ng mga online sellers. Because most of our clients are online sellers. They're selling in Facebook, in Instagram. Pagka hindi mo lang ma-deliver or hindi mo ma-track yung item nila, napapagkamala na kaagad sila scammer. So that's their challenge. So with these values kasi, ini-impart namin yan sa mga courier namin. Hindi namin minamalit yung mga courier. They're not a college graduate. So, but at least they're guided with our values. So past means faith in God. I'm not a Catholic but I'm a Christian. So, ako I always ask for guidance kasi mahirap yung ginagawa namin. Especially ako, babae pa ako, puro lalaki yung mga courier, diba? And we're guided by accountability, so we are very accountable of whatever happens to the items that we are sending. And sincerity, we're genuine of our service. Now, when we say next day, we will do everything to make it next day. Siyempre may mga challenges, pero lahat ginagawa natin na ma-deliver siya talaga next day. And of course, trust. That's the most sobrang hirap i-maintain yan because when you're buying online, nakakita ka lang ng sponsored ads sa Facebook, hindi mo kilala yung pinagbibilhan mo. Diba? Tapos bibili ka, nagbayad ka, kasi hindi di-deliver yung item mo on time. Of course, yung buyer, lalo na ako buyer ako, hindi ko mang-away. Asan yung item pa di pa na-ship out? So, yan lagi yung ina-uphold natin values into our company. So, lahat, ang dami na namin naging couriers, papalit-palit sila, yung transition, yung attrition rate namin is mataas because most of them cannot adopt our values. Nagdadaya, nagdanahaw, and everything. So, lahat ng kaya nilang gawin, nagdayain kami, ginagawa nila, pero hindi sila nagtatagal sa amin kasi hindi kami aligned with their values. Kung pagsasama-samahin, siguro lahat yung courier na dumaan sa amin, ako na sila ng 200 plus. Pero 55 lang yung nag-maintain sa amin. Kasi sila lang talaga yung very genuine when it comes to their job, talagang inaayos nila. Mahirap makahanap ng ganun. Kaya lahat ginagawa namin na yung retention program namin sa kanila, lahat to support them, especially their family. Okay. So, here's our new brand. So, from this logo, yung nakita nyo kanina sa screen, and this is our new logo now. There. So, bakit siya naging ganito? Because we are targeting online sellers and female online sellers. So, mami, okay lang dad, mag-vlog pa rin kayo. May blue na. So, yeah, so that's our new logo, designed by our brand specialist. Okay, and then, our taglines from We Mind Your Business to Your Trust Our Business. So that's our new tagline. We will going to use We Mind Your Business for our corporate brand, which is Celero Express, that we will be launched very, very soon. Later on this also. So there. This is our old brand. So this is what we do before. So when you and the other couriers or our competitors, yung messaging nila is very traditional. So, when you say online kasi dapat lahat may website ka, diba? Dapat responsive yung website mo. So, that's what ito yung before namin. Hindi siya ganun ka-responsive. May mga konting, lang siya, na mga that you want to know about Zoom, pero wala siyang talagang functionality. So what we do is, we build the new brand. So here, this is our new website. Ila-launch na namin siya in 2 months time. Hopefully matapos na siya kaagad. And the new brand is, we have a premium design and better user experience. And actual premium service, of course, with the help of our customer service team, because your trust is our business. Okay? And then, so this is our improved process. Current process is, or before, what we do is all text, Viber, emails, lahat, when you book for pickup, paulit-ulit yung binibigay ng information like name, address, number, tapos lahat yan pupunta sa customer service namin, tapos pipick upin namin, and then our customer service is loaded. And before, our track and trace is singular lang, one line lang siya. When you say out for delivery, that's it. Wala nang makikita history of your package. The new process now is, all channels is redirected to our booking in our website. So you don't need to type over and over again your name, your address, your telephone number, because it's now in our system. All you have to do is to sign up in our website, save your sender ID. So if you don't have any internet access, pwede kayong mag-text to send your sender ID, and we can now book you for pickup. That's it. Okay? So, ganun siya. It's complete history of package for the track and trace. So our backend system tracks everything, all of the packages, from booking up to the success of the delivery. So Zoom Courier also has an API for booking and tracking. It's free. So if you know someone has an online store na they want to integrate their system to our system, they don't need to book for pickup. Mano-notify na kami kaagad if they have successful packages na what do you call this, na yung nabayaran na-notify na for payment, and then if it's ready na for ship out, it will be automatically notified to our system. So there's no need to book. And then the tracking also will be in their website now. They don't need to go to our website for the tracking. So that's the beauty of it. And it's free. It's readily available. And the convenient booking is, you have your sender's account in our website. All you have to do is to log in Facebook. Okay, and then update all your information in the Zoom Courier's account. So no need to type twice. You can save as many addresses as you can, and one-click booking. And seller can track all of his or her packages. So one-click booking, how does it work? When you log in, just click book now, or one-click booking here. So that's it. And our dispatcher, Jean, can notify na kung saan kayo pick up on. And the booking cutoff is 2 o'clock in the afternoon for same-day pickup. So if you will book before 2 o'clock, we will pick up on the same day, and if you will book after 2 o'clock, we will pick up the next day. So it's very convenient. And our multiple day schedule. So let's say, for example, you don't have time for to do the booking every day. So, and you know naman that you will ship out your items next week, Tuesday next week, or Thursday next week. You just click all the dates that you want here, and then it will automatically notify to our system. So si Jean will show you later on how she does it. And then, so if you have any special instruction, you can just type it here. Tapos isasama na rin namin yan. Let's say, for example, please call me pag nasa lobby na yung rider. Isasama namin yan when we relay the text to the rider. And our complete track and trace is very easy accessible. So when you log into your account, you will see the typer tracking number in your account. You don't need to go outside of the website para mag-track. So dun ka na lang sa dashboard mo mag-track. Lahat ng kailangan mo i-track. Even if it's not under your package. Or hindi ko yung nagpadala. Let's say, for example, nakisuyo lang yung friend, patrack naman kayo. You don't need to go to the website. You can just track it into your dashboard. The multiple tracking traces, may history na siya. So this is for Shopee. For Shopee kasi, once the seller books the pick up, we need to ask for approval for Shopee if it's approved or not for free shipping because we subsidize the shipping. And then, when we receive it to our hub, out for delivery and successfully delivered, you will see who received the item. So SG means security card. And then then the rider who delivers the item. So every time mag-complain si buyer, hindi pa nag-receive, or sanda iniwan yung item, or may mga ganun kami complaints right now, we can just tell na, ma'am, receive ko na ganito. He's the security guard, so baka nasa lobby yun. That's how we do. And then, kapag sabihin na wala naman, we can ask the rider kung saan niya iniwan yung item. So, that's the customer service is doing every day. Coordination lagi sila. Sa seller, sa rider, sa buyer. Kaya wala silang spill. Kasi, tawag dito, we want yung conversation nila ng seller or ng caller, may interaction talaga. So, the packages is tagged to each other. So, if you're sending an item, titignan mo lang yung dashboard mo into your My Packages. Tapos, nandun na lahat yung pinadala mo. And then, you can have it filter here kung ano yung successfully delivered or kung ano yung failed delivery. And then, if it's failed delivery, you can check what's the reason. Is it unlocated? Is it refused to accept? Or, what's the other reason pa ba of our unsuccessful deliveries? No one to receive.
No one to receive. House
Ano po yan?
Walang tao sa bahay.
Walang tao. So, there's a reason indicated there. So, if there's walang tao, later, I'll show you the resolution team downstairs on how she's doing the resolution if the item is problematic. So, there. And coming soon is our mobile app. It's a responsive app. You can, it's not just for booking and shopping. All of your transaction is there. So, okay na ba sabihin ko yung Kaizen? Kaizen kasi is tracking and booking. Here is when you log in, all of your transaction is there na. So you can see all the history of your transaction. This is not the design because we changed the color. So this supposed to be, dapat ila-launch siya this month. Kaya lang we changed all the branding and the design. So mamumula siya ng content. So that's coming soon. So here's our partners. Pfizer. We just signed the contract of Pfizer, so they'll be on board soon. If you're familiar with Shopee Philippines, who's familiar with Shopee? Ah, good. Okay. Shopee is an online platform. It's like Lazada, but they're supporting a C2C market. Lazada kasi they're big, so malalaki yung mga sellers nila. But Shopee is supporting the small sellers in Facebook and Instagram, and they subsidize the shipping. They subsidize the shipping, and they have a free shipping campaign for their sellers. We are 3 in Shopee. Tatlo kami partner nila. I will not mention the name. Secret na lang. So we are one of the partner of Shopee. We're very lucky kasi among all the 3, kasi sobrang liit namin para maging part kami ng company nila. And up until now, ang daming nanliligaw sa kanila ng mga couriers to be their partner. But I guess, Shopee put their trust in us and to our team to fulfill yung support nila with their sellers. So most of the sellers that we are supporting for Shopee is in Cavite, Rizal, Bulacan, and Laguna. Konti lang yung Metro Manila. Beauty Manila, sikat sila ngayon sa Facebook. Sikat sila because of their free shipping campaign. So we partner Beauty Manila for their provincial fulfillment in Bulacan, Laguna, Cavite, and Rizal, as well as Cebu, Davao, nationwide. Except Metro Manila because they have their own. And Storm benefits. If you're familiar with Storm, Storm is an online platform for B2B market. So if you're working in a BPO company, you can convert your leave or your leave into a coins, and then you can buy in Storms using that coin. So that's their business model. Of course, Takatak. Takatak also is an online platform. It's under Voluntary International. So we fulfill their pay Maya deliveries since December, and then right now they have assigned sellers to us. Whole Vintage is our neighbor. Nasa baba lang sila. They're retailers. So they're selling in, I think they have in the Ramp, in Shangri-La, and in Glorieta. So they have stores also in the mall. And of course, Bell Teacher Planners from BB Amo Inc. BB Amo is one of our partners. So we do their sampling for, let's say, they have samples for Oli. Last time we delivered the Oli samples for BB Amo. But right now, they're continuously sending Bell Teacher January to us. And Snagahag. Snagahag is, they're very unique yung product nila. So it's for pregnant mom and breastfeeding moms. So, yan yung parang pillow that will support the pregnant and breastfeeding moms. So, maganda yung product. And this is our partners for mga Facebook page na nagbebenta na naging successful for their online business. K-Mov, they have around 100,000 followers, I guess. Vapebox PH, hindi lang sila pwedeng mag-advertise kasi bawal. They're selling vape, so bawal siya. Magnet Manila, siya lang yung nagbebenta naman kung ano-anong magnet sa buong Pilipinas. If you need mga magnets for industrial use, you can buy it online. So, very unique yung business, diba? Sa online talaga, sobrang creative ng mga online sellers. And below SRP. So, below SRP is, they're selling mga kitchenwares na mura lang. Very affordable. So, why Zoom? One is we do next day delivery. We will do everything to make it next day. Of course, maraming challenges like mga incomplete address, minsan nahihirapan yung mga riders namin, especially sa mga mahirap na areas like, I don't know if you're familiar with Bagong Silang, Maharlika, Tondo. Those are the areas that really challenging. But our couriers is doing everything that they can do to make it next day within Metro Manila and 2 to 3 working days outside Metro Manila. We have accurate status feedback in our track and trace system. We don't charge anything except for the shipping cost. And we don't charge for pickup. So it's free. For only 40 pesos, you can send your items to your friend. Hindi lang namin siya nagagawa same day, but pwede niya ma-receive next day. Kaysa pumunta ka pa sa mall or meet up, diba? Sobrang hassle, traffic, parking, and everything, diba? So, take ka lang. Our small pouch is only 40 pesos. Our medium pouch is 60. Our large is 80. Unlimited weight. So, here. So, free supply of pouches and mediums. So, we don't charge for our supplies. Customer service representative team, of course, nandito sila to support you and your business. Because we believe that good service makes the difference. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you for listening.